Good morning, students. My name is Suhas Vora, Assistant Professor of Electrical Department at Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology. Now, today's start with the new lab experiment of switchgear and protection systems. The aim of this today's lab experiment is to draw the operating characteristic of the IDMT relay. So now, what is the requirement or equipment requires? It means the apparatus requires. So the first one is the IDMT over current relay, which the type is electromechanical. Then after, the timer is the digital. Then fault creations panel digital also. Then ammeters 30 ampere variations. Then after the current transformer, the values of the CTs is 40 to 2 amperes, यानी कि अगर 40 एम्पियर उसमें से जाएगा तो 2 एम्पियर का सेकेंडरी साइड मेजर होगा. देन आफ्टर द टाइप इज कोर टाइप. सो दीज आर द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द practicals. Now start with the introductions. The aim of the experiment to investigate the operations, inverse characteristics, and to determine the purpose of time and plug setting for the overcurrent relay in electrical supply system. It means the minimum pickup value of the deflecting the force of the electrical relay is constant, so that the deflection force of the coil is proportional to the number of turns and current flowing through the coils. So before these are the basic constructions. Now the configurations, the setting correctly and by coordinate the operations of the relay, it is possible to isolate the smallest sections of the system in the short time positions, now minimizing unnecessarily disturbance to the other consumers whilst preventing the damage the equipment within the fault sections. So this one is the IDMT overcurrent relay. Here you can see that the time setting multiplier, this switch is the reset switch, this is the इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिकल रोटेटिंग डिस्क जो हमने ऑलरेडी स्टडी किया था IDMT रिले में, जिसको हम बोलते हैं मीटर टाइप डिस्क, जो हमारे घर पे जो इलेक्ट्रिक मीटर्स है उस टाइप का डिस्क रोटेशंस है. एंड दिस आर दी प्लग सेटिंग मल्टीप्लायर्स. सो यहाँ से हम टाइम सेटिंग करते हैं और यहाँ से हम प्लग सेटिंग मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सो इफ़ वी कैन चेंज द नंबर ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़, turns of any coils, and the requirement of the current reach at the minimum pickup value of the deflecting force in the coil also changes. अगर मैं प्लग सेटिंग चेंज करता हूँ तो उसके हिसाब से टाइम सेटिंग भी चेंज होगा. So that means if the active turns of the relay coil is reduced, the proportionally more current is required to produce the desired relay actuating force. So similarly, if the activities turns of the relay coil are increased, then proportionality reduce the current is reduced to produce the same desired deflecting force. Now so we can say that the non-directional heavily damped induction disc relay, which has a adjustable inverse time current characteristic within the defined minimum times, the relay has the high torque moment combined with the low burden and low overshoots. So the relay disc is so shaped that as it rotates, deriving the torque increase and the offset changing restraining torque of the control springs. So these features combined with the high torque of the relay ensure the good contact pressures even at the current net pickup current. So start with the pickup current, and practically this model relay may be used in the different systems as per the system is required of the pickup current of the relay is adjusted, and this is known as the current setting relay. यानी कि ये जो हमने यहाँ पे देखी PSM यानी कि करंट जो सेटिंग करना है वो पिकअप करंट यानी कि मैक्सिमम जो पिकअप करंट लेते हैं उस बेसिस पे करंट सेटिंग रिले यूज़ होता है. So this is achieved by providing the requirement of number of tapping in the coil, and these taps are brought out of the plug bridge. So this one is the setting of the PSM settings. So the number of activities done in the coil can be changed by inserting the plug in the different point in the bridge. So for example, we can talk about the overcurrent relay should operate when the system current is just for the 120%. यहाँ पे जो है plug setting उसमें 120% of the rated current है. So if the relay is rated with the 1 ampere, so the normal pickup current of the relay is 1 ampere, and it should be equal to secondary rated current of the current transformer connected to the relay. So operated of the CTs or current of the CTs in the secondary side is equal to approximately 1.25 as per the defined. So we can say the pickup current of the relay is 1 into 150%, it means that the 1.5 amperes, and the PSM relay, अब मैं PSM सेटिंग की बात करूँ तो अगर 1 एम्पियर है तो 5 डिवाइडेड बाई 1.5 एम्पियर मैंने 150% सेट किया हुआ है तो 3.33% का डिफ्लेक्शंस होगा. सो इन ऑर्डर टू एडजस्ट द रिले ऑपरेटिंग टाइम in both the factors to be adjustable, and the adjustment of the traveling distance of the electromechanical relay is commonly known as the time setting, and this adjustment is commonly known as the time setting multiplier of the relay. यानी कि ये जो हम कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं करंट जो स्टार्टिंग हाई होगा जब फॉल्ट करंट होगा तो वो कितने टाइम तक होना चाहिए उसके लिए हम टाइम सेटिंग मल्टीप्लायर का यूज़ करते हैं. The time setting dial is calibrated from 0 to 1 in step 0.05 second, but by adjusting only the time setting multiplier we cannot set the actual time of the operations of the electrical relay. So as the time of the operations also depends upon the speed of the operations, so the speed of the moving part of the relay depends upon the force due to the current in the relay coil. So IDMT relay is the inverse definite minimum time relay. It is one in which the time of the operations is inversely proportional to the magnitude of the fault current near to the pickup value. So now हमने देखा कि पिकअप वैल्यू आ रही है तो व्हाट इज दी पिकअप वैल्यूज. सो पिकअप वैल्यू मीन्स दैट in all the electrical relays the moving contacts are not free from to move, so all the contacts remain in their respective normal positions by the some force applied on them continuously, and this force is called the controlling force of this relay. So this controlling force may be gravitational force or maybe spring force and maybe magnetic force. So the force applied on the relay's moving part from the changing the normal positions of the contact is called the deflection force. So in the pickup relay the force is applied on the relay's moving part of changing the normal positions to the contact and is called the deflecting force, and this deflecting force is always opposite of the controlling force and the present always in the relay. So the deflecting force always present in the relay directly connected with the line live wires, but the magnitude of this force is less than the controlling force in a normal conditions. So these are the pickup current. Now the current setting of the relay. The minimum pickup values of the deflecting force of the electrical relay is constant against the constant. That means that the pickup value जो है उसकी मिनिमम वैल्यू में कंसिडर करता हूँ तो डिफ्लेक्टिंग फोर्स इलेक्ट्रिकल रिले इज कांस्टेंट. So again the deflecting force of the coil is proportional to its turns and the current flowing through the coil. Now if we change the number of active turns of any coils and requirement current to the reach minimum pickup values of the deflection force, the coil as per the system required, the pickup current of the relay is adjusted and this one is called the current setting. For example, over the 125% जैसे हमने आगे दिखा वही the pickup current is 1 amperes. Now discuss with the circuit diagram. So these are the basic circuit diagram of the systems. So in these systems you can see that our system is connected with the AC supply 230 volt, putting the current injected transformer यानी कि टैपिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मर है. The secondary side is also connected with the current transformers and the IDMT relay and timers and on and off switch. So what is the procedure? First, to connect the circuit as per circuit diagrams. Now select the PSM setting on the relay. Then after make sure that the single phase diagram that is minimum positions and the test switch is on positions and the TSM setting of the relay are to set the 0.5. So increase the current in the circuit to the value calculate similarly to the step 2 depending on the PSM setting and by varying the single phase variable. Observe the relay tripping conditions and the circuit will be in off positions after the relay tripping. So these are the procedure for the operating the circuits. Now off test the switch, the reset the timer and relay and push on the button again and make sure the rotating electromagnetic disc of the relay is at the initial positions before switching on. Otherwise क्या होगा, अगर मैं रीसेट की नहीं है अगर इट इज़ तो वो फॉल्ट कंडीशंस कंटिन्यू करके ही कैलकुलेट करेगा. सो नोट डाउन द वैल्यू ऑफ द ट्रिपिंग टाइम एंड करंट्स. So repeat the all steps to observe the operating time and the relay by increase the fault current and above calculation values of the fault current in the step 2 and tabulate the reading. So now repeat the same procedure for the various TSM value is 0.7 and plot the graph between the time taken from the relay operate versus fault current variation. It means the TSM by PSM. Now the sample observations. If the rated current is 0 to 25 amperes, cities ratio is 40 by 2 ampere, it means the 20. Then pickup current setting is equal to the plug setting current value and the value x of the cities ratio and the TSM is 0.1 to 0.6. So here we can set the PSM value is 0.5. At that time the pickup current is 10. Then after we can also reset the values. Then after we can set the PSM value is 0.75. At that time the pickup current is 15. pickup current means जब फॉल्ट मैक्सिमम होगा, मैक्सिमम करंट उसमें से फ्लो होगा. देन 1 यानी कि करंट सेटिंग हमने सेट किया है 1. सो द पिकअप करंट इज 20 एंड व्हेन द set the PSM value is 125, the pickup value is 25. So these are the reading. Now the reading and the tabular forms. So the fault current is, अगर फर्स्ट फॉल्ट करंट आया है 18 सेकंड में 11.5 एम्पियर्स. देन आफ्टर सेकंड में आया है 16.1 सेकंड में 13.5, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमने PSM वैल्यूज बढ़ा दी है. Now the 11.1 at that time the 16.22 एंड दैट 8.9 सेकंड में 18.21 वोल्ट करंट पे ऑपरेट होगा. सो दिस आर दी, इट मीन्स के हम जैसे जैसे टाइम रिड्यूस करते जाएंगे यानी कि TSM वैल्यू कम करते जाएंगे वैसे ही फॉल्ट करंट बढ़ जाएगा. सो अवर एक्सपेक्टेड ग्राफ इज दिस. सो हियर द रिले करंट एंड you can see that this one is the PSM values and this one is the TSM value. So if any query regarding this experiment, please contact me. If any questions regarding this topic, you can mail me. My mail ID and the contact number is in your screen. Thank you.